Hey everyone, this is Stealth and I'm back to Motor Gear Solid. I'm here with another mod for the Rebel 500. The last video is the forward controls, so I got more of that classic cruiser style foot position, which I love. Today I'm going to be changing the handlebars to Kijima bars. That's right, Kijima. Not Hideo Kojima, Kijima. So what these bars are going to do, you can see here the height. There you go right there. So they're going to raise up and then go back a bit. So I'll have more of like a pull back feel. So it'll be similar to how the bars I had on the Virago, which I love. If you don't want to get the Kijima bars, there's also an option for risers. The risers are very easy to install. And they do the same thing. They go up and then back, and you'll have more of a pull back feel on the stock bars as well. And you won't have to reach as far, and then your back won't be hunched forward. Because my issue right now is I'm very hunched forward a little bit. It feels a little too aggressive, and I wanted more of a laid back, relaxed riding stance. So I guess my arms aren't long enough for that. So the bars that I install should help. All right, here's the box. Let's do an unboxing of this thing. Here are the Kijima bars. You can already see versus stock how much pulled back they are. This is so nice already just looking at them. I'm actually really excited to install these and see how they feel. They are gloss black, and usually and you can see on the bike most of the stuff is satin black, but it's okay. There are parts of the bike that are gloss black, like the frame, so yeah, it matches the frame. Yeah, not a big deal. I really don't care. And underneath, you can see they come already with the holes on this side as well. So it's better to get these bars than take a chance on some aftermarket bars that are different than these. These are all ready to go, and all the controls and everything will lock in, and everything should be good. For the grips, I'm going to be removing the stock ones. I'm not going to reuse them. To replace them, I got these. They're Vans grips, 1 inch, and they should be good. A lot of people have used these and said they're great. Okay, so here are the grips. Really nice, really squishy, so they should be a lot more comfortable than the OEM grips. Removed the OEM bars, the ones at the top, and here are the Kijima bars. And you can see just from the top down view how much pulled back they are versus stock. So you can see the difference right there. You won't have to reach out as far, and you probably won't be like leaning forward. So hopefully when they're installed it's much better than they were stock. Handlebar, the Kijima bars all installed. They look really good. Much different shape than the stock OEM bars. You can see they're already much higher. Also installed the new grips. Looking really good. Actually really comfortable. You can see how they swoop a bit different. These actually remind me of the Virago 250 bars I had. I love those bars, so yeah, this is a nice surprise. I didn't think they would look like this. So you can see they're definitely much higher and they swoop back a lot more than the stock. Exactly what I wanted. Yeah, they look so much better too. Wow, I love this look. I love how much higher they are. Okay, so let's see how the bars feel. There's definitely a pullback, much better than stock position. I feel more upright immediately, even with the forward controls. It's like a perfect shape that I'm in now, a much better shape than I was before. Before I was like more of a triangle, leaning forward, so I felt a little bit more cramped. I wanted more of a traditional cruiser feel when I got this bike, but it should be good. It feels good, so we'll see. I like it. Easy to install. I'm really happy how it feels. I can't wait to try out the handlebars along with the forward controls and see if I can get that kind of cruiser experience that I love. So it's winter now, so hopefully there's a freak day that's nice. I'll pull the bike out and go for a ride and see how these mods there it is, and see how these mods feel, and then I'll let you guys know. Alright, so this is Stealth. If you like the video, remember to subscribe to Motor Gear Solid. Please like it. And I'll be back. There's lots of mods I gotta do, so don't worry. Lots of content coming. See you later.